Yeah, now you can see how an ideal will be, will serve like, like assumptions in the same sense, but the assumption is like your nature. Ideals are something more you've programmed in, like belief systems. My self-image should look like this, or, people should hold me like that, or this is the way life should be like, that kind of thing. So I'm saying it's an ideal. So it might well relate to your bottom line kind of stuff, but it's not the same as your bottom line kind of stuff. And so it can be useful to complete, to find that you really, oh yes, I need this. Why? I don't. Doesn't have to be that way. Which is useful because you're going to die. And the reason I bring that up isn't just because it's true, but you see, you have ideals about the way life should look and the path you should take and how things are supposed to turn out, stuff, and it won't. See? No matter what. See? And then you're just going to be old and you're going to be dying. Guaranteed. See, even if you spend all your life trying to realize some kind of destiny, trying to have everything wedged into a certain way, still, you're going to get old at some point and go, oh, okay. Yeah, so it didn't bring me happiness. I really thought it was going to bring me happiness, for Christ's sake. I'm due my happiness now. I did everything right. Bring me my fucking happiness. Isn't that the bargain? Right? See? And you'll find out. It's like, oh, damn it. See, nobody made that bargain. You just made that up. Culture made it up. Keeps you off the street. Or whatever. But in any case, you'll do what you do. I'm just saying. So the ideals usually just get in the way. And you use them to beat yourself up. Beat other people up. Stuff like that.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.